Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. Today, I just bought this Velvet Oud by Lattafa perfume, and it's a original. I bought it from Maison. It's only 55 ringgit. Maison sells original Lattafa Velvet Oud. So I want to show you how is the original Velvet Oud Lattafa. Okay, from the all the boxes and from the boxes and everything. So this is it. It's like a leather, like fox leather. Okay, and then it's gold, and then this is sweat, and there's a hologram here. Okay, and then on top it's like a leather also, fox leather, and below okay, and then there's a secret here. There's a code number here, if you can see, code number, and also manufacture date. Okay, then if we open it, the box inside like paper, the cylinder, and then this is the this is sweat also. Okay, and this is the perfume. It looks very solid. And below the sticker. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.